If you are in the market for a compact, space-saving, and versatile piece of strength training equipment, the Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbells Set could very well be your next favorite home gym addition. These adjustable dumbbells are designed for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts who want the flexibility of multiple dumbbell weights without crowding their workout space. With weight options ranging from 5 to 25 pounds and additional versions up to 55 pounds, this set is more than capable of meeting the needs of most full-body strength routines. One of the first things you'll notice about the Lifepro adjustable dumbbells is how incredibly easy they are to use. The quick adjustment slider mechanism is intuitive and smooth. Whether you are mid-workout and need to switch from bicep curls to overhead presses, or you are alternating between strength sets and lighter high-rep movements, these dumbbells let you adjust weights in seconds. This feature alone makes them an ideal choice for people who enjoy circuit training or supersets, where switching weights quickly is essential for maintaining intensity and flow. In a world where home gyms are becoming more popular than ever, space efficiency is gold. One of the standout benefits of this adjustable set is its compact footprint. Instead of having multiple pairs of dumbbells lying around your workout area, you get the same variety in just 1 or 2 units. That's a huge plus if you're training in a smaller space like a bedroom, apartment, or garage gym. The included storage rack is a thoughtful touch. It keeps the dumbbells neatly in place, reduces floor clutter, and makes accessing them during workouts more convenient. Durability is another area where Lifepro doesn't disappoint. These dumbbells are built with metal handles, robust safety locks, and a non-slip grip, offering both safety and control during exercises. You can confidently perform dynamic moves like rows, snatches, or lunges without worrying that the weights will shift or fall off. Some users noted that while the ends of the weights are made of plastic with metal caps, the construction still feels solid and durable even through intense workouts. A few minor scuffs or dings might happen over time, but that's expected with regular use. Many customer reviews highlight the excellent build quality and finish. The dumbbells have a smooth surface that not only looks sleek but also adds to the ease of cleaning and handling. Some users have mentioned they would prefer a rubber-coated version to reduce the chance of floor damage and minimize sound, but overall, there's no major complaint about quality. In fact, several people have stated they're surprised at how good these feel in hand, especially considering the relatively affordable price point of $186 for the set. When it comes to versatility, the Lifepro adjustable dumbbells truly shine. You can perform everything from standard curls, bench presses, and shoulder raises to more complex movements like goblet squats, lunges, and core engaging exercises. They also work well for those who like to incorporate functional training or bodyweight resistance moves like using a dumbbell for added resistance during push-ups or planks. One customer even mentioned how convenient the flat bottom design is, which prevents the dumbbells from rolling when placed on the floor or used during exercises like renegade rows. Reviewers also appreciate how well these dumbbells cater to different fitness levels and goals. Whether you are just starting your fitness journey or you are a seasoned weightlifter looking to maintain gains at home, these adjustable dumbbells provide just enough resistance and challenge. The ability to adjust in 5 pounds increments makes progressive overload easy and manageable, an essential part of building strength over time. Another highlight is how these dumbbells encourage consistent training. Several customers noted they find themselves working out more often simply because the equipment is easy to use and doesn't require a big setup. That kind of convenience can make a huge difference, especially for people juggling busy schedules or those who prefer to work out at home instead of a commercial gym. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have pointed out that because the ends are plastic, care should be taken not to drop them, especially on hard surfaces. While they can handle regular workouts just fine, they may not be as bomb-proof as rubber-coated or all-metal dumbbells. However, this is a fair trade-off considering the cost and the adjustable mechanism they offer. Also, minor cosmetic imperfections, such as dented end caps or light scuffing, have been reported but don't seem to affect functionality in any way. In terms of value for money, it's hard to beat what Lifepro offers here. For under $200, you are essentially getting 5 pairs of dumbbells in one package. If you were to buy 5 separate pairs of traditional dumbbells, Not only would it cost you significantly more, but you'd also need much more space to store them. This makes Lifepro's set a smart investment for anyone looking to build or expand a home gym on a budget. The customer feedback speaks volumes. With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 3,000 global ratings, it's clear that most users are satisfied with their purchase. Many have gone on to recommend the dumbbells to friends and family or have purchased additional sets for their households. The reviews are filled with praise about how these dumbbells have become a staple in users' fitness routines, whether they're doing full body workouts, targeting specific muscle groups, or incorporating them into yoga, pilates, or cardio-focused circuits. In summary, the Lifepro Adjustable Dumbbells Set is an excellent choice for home fitness enthusiasts who want versatility, efficiency, and quality in one compact package. The smooth weight transition, comfortable grip, reliable construction, and clever storage design make them stand out in a crowded market of adjustable dumbbells. Whether you are a casual exerciser or a dedicated strength athlete, these dumbbells are built to support your goals without breaking the bank or overwhelming your space. So if you are looking for a convenient, smart, and stylish way to upgrade your workouts, this set from Lifepro might just be exactly what you need.